Nature is made up of plastic and pencils or animals and plants. You tell me. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals and all together. P-L-A. Move your papers. N-T and S. Yes, animals and plants. Now, today I'll talk about, we are going to talk about eagles. Because eagles are national birds, let's talk about eagles. Want to spell eagle? One minute. E-A-G-L and eagle. Now, I'll tell you a did you know fact. Did you know that eagles make one nest throughout their lives? And these nests are so big, they are called eyries. E-Y-E-R-I-E-S, eyries. They are really big. Because eagles, they are big birds, right? And so if you hear the National Geographic program about eyries, you would know that eyries are eagle. N-E. Move your papers down. S and T. Yes, because these are, so that, and eagles have a habit. And the habit is, every year, they would add 1 or 2 twigs. And as a result of which, these eyries will become very heavy.